Nigeria's leading and most integrated poultry business concern operating in the agribusiness sector of the Nigerian economy, Agrited Nigeria Limited played host to Oyo State Government officials led by the Commissioner for Lands and the Permanent Secretary and other officials at their Blue Plain Farm in Fiditi Oyo State. Also, the Managing Director of Agrited, Mr. Chibzak, conducted their team round the factory and the farm. Inside Business was there. This is Inside Business Africa, Africa's business news and information leader. Hello, a very good day to you and thanks for joining us. My name is Kenneth Odushola Stevenson and this is Inside Business Africa, Africa's business news and information leader. Today on the edition of the program, that's why you are seeing me presenting personally, because this is very awesome. Agrited Nigeria Limited, one of the most leading and integrated poultry business, conducted the officials of the Oyo State Government at the Fiditi Blue Plain Farm round the farm to see firsthand what has been put together to alleviate Nigerian food security and also to grow the agribusiness sector in Nigeria, especially the poultry business subsector. Inside Business Africa was at the event where the Managing Director, Mr. Chibzak, the General Manager, Mr. Avim Hanin, all took round to talk about what is on ground at Fiditi, that is Blue Plain Farm. Take a listen to this important report as we present Agrited and the officials of the Oyo State Government visit at Blue Plain Farms. Agrited Nigeria Limited, Nigeria's leading and most innovative and integrated poultry business concern, with farms in Oyo and Ogun states, led by the founder, Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Chibzak, played host to the government officials of Oyo State, led by the Honorable Commissioner for Land, Housing and Urban Development, to the Blue Plain Farm located at Fiditi in Oyo State. The government officials' visit to the farm was necessitated by the shared appreciation and to see firsthand the size of investment, capacity and capability deployed by the firm at the farm. On hand to receive the officials of the Oyo State Government are the founder, Managing Director, Dr. Chibzak, and the General Manager, Mr. Avim Hanin, and other officials of the firm. First point of call was the boardroom, where the Managing Director, that Mr. Chief Executive, took the visitors round the farm via a film where the various sections and the sectors of the facilities were highlighted.
This is how we plan the place. Plan the place in order, this is the express, is exit, that's how we pick this place, because people will come here to collect chicks. So they can, if they come from the north, they go out here, exit here, and if they come from the south, they come like you came here. Okay? What you see here is the village, which is not built yet. The village is, we are right now here in this area. Here we will have the office, this is the feed mill, this is the staff accommodation, this is the visitor center, like playground for our staff, and housing, and this is the expatriates' houses. Luckily, we are doing now extension. We can enter to the extension because to the